Okay, so hi everyone, welcome to another ad review. So we have Sonia with us. Yeah, she is my wife. Okay, then we have Mohit from Baweja Media team, and this week we have our new partners Rahul and Anu. They both are also together. Okay, by the way, Mohit is the only bachelor over here. Anyways, so yeah, that's what is going on. And we'll be reviewing ads just like we did last time. And yeah, let's start. So this particular session, we'll be dealing with the niche coaches. Last time we were dealing with education, but this is specifically only for coaches. So let's go ahead and start our review. So this is our first ad. And this is pretty good. I haven't seen anyone doing this thing. In the comment section, go ahead and start posting testimonials. Like before anyone comes up and says anything, fill the comment section with your own testimonials. This is pretty good. And I think this ad has been running for quite some time because it's like 2 years now. So I'm interested. This guy looks like Asian Elon. Okay. I don't want to read that. I'm not even a mortgage pro, but this offer is so it's like okay, cool. So this is pretty good. I think we got a thumbnail. Asian Elon Musk.
Elon Musk is my brother.
Go yourself. Is that clear?
Caption is good, the creative seems fine, and the copy of the creative also seems fine to me. It's quirky.
Right.
And the congruency is there. The landing page is good as well.
Exactly. The congruency part is pretty good. Like, and then when you come here, how to recession proof your mortgage? Like mortgage.
This cap is fine though.
Cap. Oh God. How did I miss that? I love the way how people are using you in their headlines, because nowadays on the landing page, if the headline has you, we have seen a direct correlation with increased conversion rate.
I think the caption is very blank.
It's hard to read also.
He could have written unpopular opinion, then colon, and then in the next step, he could have done something else, because the first fold would have been unpopular opinion that would have hooked their attention, and then they would have clicked on read more.
I think the copy is very bulky.
Landing page is not good. I don't know why they have synced white color into white color.
Yeah, text is not visible.
Same. Even the first fold, I felt like it is a page which is selling something related to meditation.
At the
Like
top also
colors
you
are
see
very
get
dull.
free access now, like that's hidden in the dark green. So the designer clearly doesn't know how to use colors. That's for sure.
I don't think we have hired a designer to make this page. On its own, without
I'm not able to
experience.
see this. Freelancers who went. Are you guys able to see this?
Yeah, I'm able to see it.
Went
but
from zero to CEO.
So you have to be a CEO to read this.
only if you are a zero, you can read this, I guess.
Oh yeah, that's also true. Off the bat, I think he could have put a thumbnail over here. Okay, and also this is not a readable as well. Very, very, very small. I think I'm seeing it on the desktop. Maybe that might be the problem. On mobile, it might be a completely different picture altogether. But still, there are a lot of improvements which he can do over here. Like, although there is a lot of proof of concept which might elevate the conversion rate, but it is very small. And since he is already selling free access now, so I am assuming that his conversion rate will be approximately around 25 to 30%. Get free access now, but he could improve it to 50% by making a few tweaks and changes. That's what I feel. The heading over here, it is very long and it will get cropped at a lot of places. So
There's a troll as well in the comments, like they are trolling him that this is just another selling page.
if a business is working, obviously there will be a lot of coaches in that. Like, what's the point of saying another coach? So he is another coach. Like, you are saying the obvious. What a creativity. Another coach, yeah. Another troll. Like, you should write another troll.
You should reply another day, another dumbass.
Mohit is handling our online reputation, so he asked me to comment these things a lot of times.
Just another agency.
We are not just another agency. We don't do overnight success, but our approach to building our long. So basically, this reminds me of your Google ad headline, which you have, which got viral on Reel. What was that? Go ahead and explain it to us.
Yeah, so it was like for a website development agency. So everyone writes like we are the best, we are number one without any certification, without any proof. So we wrote this headline that we are not the best in bouncing users off your website. So it's like having a negative connotation to a positive benefit. So that's what it is.
Right. That was pretty smart, I think. Guys, learn from him. Follow him on LinkedIn.
We have used breaking news.
We used breaking news. Breaking news was fine.
You also use that jail wala. I've seen sometimes.
Yeah. We have committed a lot of crimes. Jail wala and kidnapped and abducted all were Sonia's.
For 2 seconds,
Sonia's
I was like, why? Like, I was worried for 2 seconds. Yaar, ye kya kar diya?
That's Sonia's brainchild. Whenever you see me in weird spaces and places, okay, it will be Sonia. Like Sonia, let's do this, and I'm like, okay. And when you have this much amount of likes, there will be a lot of leakages.
The first fold was not good, but as we are going below, it seems fine to me.
So it basically doesn't resonate with guys, and they have done a pretty good job at resonating with girls. So yeah, it's a good thing to have girls on the call now.
Yeah, and I'm so happy that they've not chose the typical pink color to go everywhere on the page. Even this looks so good to eyes.
They have done a pretty good job in the pattern interrupt.
It is so relatable. It's so good. The caption is also pretty good.
That emoji in front of Todd like adds that friendly touch to me, like enjoy.
Exactly,
Todd.
yeah. Very small thing, but it impacts a lot because now I think that it's like an email which has been written or addressed to me. So I want to read it.
Yeah.
Right? So it's like breaking the fourth wall. He might be fulfilling his objective pretty well. Grab 26 page of my gripping email openers. Okay. Might download these later on.
A lot of social proof is there.
Yeah. It's like Zomato's version of targeting. Like if Zomato was creating this ad.
It's grabbing attention and it is asking me to basically read the caption.
Even we use without branding as well. Remember the blue background and the caption, right? So over there we had written 8 years of running Facebook ads in one book, and it worked really good. It gave us, I think, a really good CPA, a CPA of around 400 or 300. So it was pretty decent ad for us. I had for a digital product which costs 500 rupees. So that worked really good for us. Now let's go to the landing page and see. Okay, it opens up here only.
I think this is the lead form we are running.
Probably this ad is not for the top of the funnel as well. This is basically for the bottom of the funnel, like, to increase the touch points. Like, initially make them understand what you stand for, and then, have
then
so that.
He's just being honest. I want to basically fulfill my purpose. Baki baad mein just another coach.
I think this template is saturated like this. It doesn't, like, it's good, but it's not that wow factor for me.
By leveraging the power of email marketing.
I would have done one thing over here. There is no number over here. He has put the number over here.
Exactly.
I would have done a free training that shows you how to add an extra 15 to 25% to your monthly revenue by leveraging the power of email marketing, and highlighted that 15 to 25% with some other color like red or green or whatever works, and then used it. That might have increased the
chances
rate a lot.
To click on the ad, I guess.
Numbers statistically have shown that if you're putting in numbers, they tend to attract a lot more people, because think about it, dropshippers and brand owners are more into numbers, and that's what attracts them a lot. Chris Voss says that a lot, that when you come up with numbers, be very specific. Like, don't say 15 to 25%, say 17%, or something that is an odd number. that way. I will say the format of this caption is not good, but the content is pretty damn accurate. It's one of the best captions I have read, but the formatting is poor. That particular ad has picked up the this one, how to add extra, in the description from here itself.
From there.
Right? It's not okay. So we gave him wrong credit. Okay, so it's a VSL funnel. I really don't like it. It's very, very, very lazy. Very lazy.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, that's it. It's very
This is
lazy.
the one. Oh,
It also took, I guess, 4 to 5 seconds to load.
The issue over here is that people underestimate the power of long-term branding. Obviously, this will get you good amount of conversion rates initially, but as Sonia has said that many a times, that if you are going with ugly ads, be sure of the fact that this is going to harm your branding in the long run. So you are going for the short-term gain for a barter that is going to hurt you in the future. He could have put testimonials over here. He has so many of them.
yeah, so many things to do.
Just screenshots. That's it.
Yeah, this is good. This ad is good.
Co-create is really strong. Like I would see this, like let it stay on this creator for like a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can keep on just watching this particular creative for a very long time because the dog is so cute. Landing page could have been a bit better.
Like even if you see 2024 edition, it's like that font is very shaky. Like it's not. I can't see perfection in the image itself. So how can I trust that?
Ad was good. From landing page, it all started going downhill.
Yeah, instead of this graphic, he could have used GIF Office tool, which is
Yeah, the GIF Office tool will have been very better.
which he is trying to basically.
He hasn't put in that much amount of effort, as much as he has put in the caption. The caption is pretty good.
Like the person is a good marketer, but he is not a good developer.
CRO expert. Yeah.
Yeah, CRO expert. He's not a good CRO expert. Mohit and Sonia, let's fight.
This ad is for you, I guess, Sannidhya sir.
I know what to do. I know how to strike a balance between marketing and sales team, and especially
Yeah, the bidding right? So this is
Yeah.
for you. Like, the top headline is for you only. Like, I are two departments clashing up around. They could have done a better job on the caption.
Especially
it's very generic. Like it instead of going into specificity where they could have quoted a few customer testimonials or case studies, they went into another zone.
They haven't done any good job in telling us what they are selling. They have only mentioned this thing in the last supercharge your marketing strategies, which are future ready marketing scorecard for you.
I, who is a market, like who am as an owner, okay, I would never be sold by this kind of gimmicks. Like, all it takes is 4 minutes, because it never takes 4 minutes. And if it takes 4 minutes, then I don't want that, because I know it
It's
takes
not
more
one
time. Yeah, it takes more than that. Oh, okay.
Like
They missed this part. So this is basically a quiz.
This is not in the caption. Yeah.
Exactly. They missed the whole thing. So quiz is the thing which they should be focusing on, and they missed the whole point. Yeah, take this 4-minute quiz and find out the gaps. That's it. That's plain and simple. How could you go wrong at this? Although it has a really small caption, but whatever he wants to convey has been conveyed, and I don't have any doubt. That's why figures matter. Time matters. 4-year, 200k degree. So yeah, it's just that they want this thing. They are very crisp. Their ad was also very crisp. This is what they want. They don't want to distract people to move to other places. They want the email, and that's it. Am I the only one who feels like this person is high? Like he's enjoying the process rather than. I don't think it's hard. It's a bit. It's enjoyable. Look at how happy he is. Okay, so I think over here it acts as a good pattern interrupt. I feel it does capture the attention, although there are a few things which I feel can be improved, but still I think it should work. It should get them a really low CPM and high CTR. But I agree with that enroll now should have been on the right side, because it's predominantly something that has been proven that it works better on the right side. I love the way so many B-rolls are there, and those are specifically in every 3 seconds or 4 seconds.
Lots of movements.
Yeah, lots of movements. This is best ad.
Yeah.
By far the best ad. And look at the amount of social proof it has accumulated.
It's like giving a video version. Like I've seen a lot of ads in static phase, but like video is
Right.
It's designed well.
looks professional.
Font structure is also
Well
pretty good.
structured.
Steps are also given. One of the best landing page, one of the best ads, everything is best over here. This is how you kill it. That was the first, not first, I think this is the third. Okay, so this was the third edition of our thing. Okay, now in order to conclude this particular thing, we all would like to humbly request you to subscribe to our channel. Okay, and purchase Minia so that we get affiliate commission over here, and we want to make money. We are all here in the business of making money, so help us make more money, guys.